Tired of arrows that show a perfect buy signal, then vanish the second price moves against you? That's called repainting, and it's why most indicators lie to you in backtests. Today I'm showing you one that doesn't. This is the binary indicator, and it's simple. One candle, one signal. Green means buy, red means sell. No repainting means once a candle closes and the arrow appears, it's locked in forever. What you backtest is exactly what you'd have traded live. Here's how you use it. For a buy, wait for the candle to fully close with a green arrow. Then check the higher time frame, like the 4-hour, to confirm the trend is actually bullish. Place your stop loss just below the signal candle's low and target at least 1.5 times your risk. For a sell, same rule. Wait for the candle close with the red arrow. Confirm the bigger trend is bearish. Stop loss goes just above the signal candle's high, and again, aim for 1.5 to 2 times your risk. Here's the tip that saves accounts. Skip signals near major support or resistance, and avoid trading during the Asian session or right before big news like NFP. Low volume and news spikes cause fake signals that stop you out for no reason. This indicator won't make you rich overnight, but it gives you honest, reliable signals you can actually trust and build a system around. Want it for free? Head to forexmt4indicators.com and download the Binary Indicator plus other free templates right now.